Digital integration management unifies integrations that are often undocumented or scattered across teams into one governed architectural view for complex enterprise environments. A digital integration defines the connection between a provider and consumer application, with key interface metadata. Managing integrations enable organizations to govern application interactions, track data flows, and proactively manage issues across the lifecycle. Digital integration management functionality is available after you install the Digital Integration Management plugin from the ServiceNow store. It gives architects a clear, governed view of integrations so they can understand dependencies, assess impact, and manage change with confidence. You can proactively find out the issues of the integrations in one place, manage information flows across your organization, and have complete governance over the use of interfaces for internal and external APIs. You can create a new integration from the Enterprise Architecture workspace. Navigate to the application portfolio by selecting the portfolio icon on the left toolbar. Then select Digital Integrations from the options in the drop-down menu. There are multiple options for creating a new integration: New and New Easy form. The New form requires you to fill out fields like the name, provided version interface, as well as other categories like data flow direction, business impact, and owners. The Easy form is a simplified form with less fields to fill out, all visible in a single view. Let's look at an already created integration. On the integration form, we can see details such as the integration's identity, participating applications, technical details, such as interface, version, type, and data flow, and governance metadata, such as owners and business impact. Architectural artifacts are documents or visual assets that describe the design, purpose, or structure of an enterprise system or integration. Information objects represent the business or technical information that flows between applications through an integration. And credentials represent the secure authentication details required for applications to access each other through an integration. Digital interfaces are linked to digital integrations, which connect provider and consumer applications. This ensures traceability of dependencies and data flows. Digital integration management gives enterprise architects a single, governed view of application integrations, enabling visibility into dependencies and information flows so they can assess impact, reduce risk, and make confident, informed architecture decisions.